Okay, so we're going to make tamarind paste. If you go to Asian shop, you find tamarind paste that look like that, like a lumpy sticky, right? You have tamarind paste in a pot and water, just plain water. So you have tamarind paste in the water. I bring it to boil because it make it easy, to break apart and faster. If you don't boil them with hot water, like boiling water, you can just soak in the bowl, just leave it, 15 to 20 minutes, it gets softer. Right. Just how to break the lumps a little bit. When you make this one, right, at home, you can store them in the jar, in the fridge. Yeah, you can keep them a week. You see? You smell the tamarind? Mouth-watering. That's why something sour, it smells watering. When it becomes salted, now we're going to get it off the gas. So you have a strainer, right? And the tamarind that you have here with the water already, you can just scoop and using it. But to avoid that you don't drop the big clump of tamarind and put in your mouth when you add in your soup and your salad. This is the easy way and how and nice and nice when you do this. You scoop them in a strainer and then you press it. See, you're pressing it. And you see this kind of dry now, but there's still a lot of meaty here. You still can put hot water in, hot water in, even you put some more water in here, and you can even spread them again, you see? With the strainer. I love tamarind smell. See when you're pressing it? So what happened here? See the juice there? Not much, but look, scrape, you see that? See underneath. You see this kind of dry now, but there's still a lot of meaty here. You still can put hot water in, hot water in. Now even you put some more water in here, and you can even spread them again. You see? And then you have your own tamarind. I like the tamarind paste, like homemade like this, more than the jar. The jar is also okay, but sometimes the factory they mix some of the sweet tamarind together. It's not very sour, but it works both. You see, you get nice and smooth tamarind, just like that. Video, please subscribe. That's it. Now I'm gonna give you the book.